Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from the Ingenious Engineer. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use servos. Let's get started. Servos are used everywhere and are very easy to code. They have one motor that turns 180 degrees, clockwise and counterclockwise. The motor is very precise, and servos are used mainly to steer moving objects. However, they can be used for many other things. Servos have three wires. The black one is the ground pin, or the negative pin. The red one is the power, or positive pin. And the yellow one is the control pin, which attaches to the Arduino and controls the direction that the servo is pointing in. Here's the circuit diagram to connect the servo. Here's the code to control the servo. In the first line, we include the servo library. Then we name the servo and continue to the void setup. Here, we use this command to tell the Arduino what pin the servo is connected to, which I set to pin 9. Next, we set the servo to 90 degrees, using the servo.right function. This is what you will use to set the degree that your servo is at. I set it to 90 so that every time we restart the code, it will set to 90 degrees, which is the center. Next, we continue to void loop. First, I set the servo to 180 degrees for 1 second. Then it goes to 0 degrees for another second, and then finally 90 degrees for another second. It will continue looping this until you stop the code. Here you can see the code moving the arm of the servo from 180 degrees to 0 degrees to 90 degrees and then back to 180 degrees. Now that you know how to code servos, you can build many other things like the motion control trash can that I built in one of my other videos. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe as that will help me make more content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.